Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the fourth video of the Hacktoberfest series, and in this we'll discuss what is pull request and how to contribute in any open source project. Pull requests are a way of contributing your code changes to an open source project. We use a tool called Git which runs on a social coding platform called GitHub. We have already discussed this. GitHub is a center of various open source projects. There are a lot of projects available on GitHub. You can choose any project in which you want to contribute according to your preference. Like for example, if you are a web developer, you can choose projects on HTML, CSS, JavaScript. If you are a Python developer, you can choose projects related to Python and stuff like that. Okay, so you can choose any project as per your preference. Steps to start, so just follow along with me and you'll be able to do that. Okay, go on GitHub and fork the project you want to contribute in. Okay, so let's do that. If you have not made your account on GitHub, do make it. And I will contribute in IoT Labs page, contributors page. Okay, so what you need to do is go on GitHub and fork the project that you want to contribute in. Here you have this option of fork. Do that. After forking the project, you'll see that project in your own profile, GitHub profile, your username and then that repo which you forked. See, I've got this. Secondly, what you need to do is after forking, open that in your profile and go to code and then copy the code. That's, I've already opened it. Here, just copy this. After that, you need to open git bash and write the following commands. Okay, git bash. I hope you all have installed git bash. If not, please do install it and then follow along. Write commands git config --hyphen global user.name and your GitHub username. See, you can see your GitHub username here. This is your username. Okay, mine is the tech hacker. See, that's not my main GitHub account. My main GitHub account is Anishka Shukla. I have made another account to demonstrate you guys. Okay, the tech hacker. Okay, sorry, it would be global git config global hyphen. Okay, after that what you need to do, here you need to write user.email and your email address. Mine is the techhacker11@gmail.com. okay, so that's, you have set the global username and email address for your GitHub account. Okay, after that you go on that folder where you want to clone the repo. I usually clone on documents, so I'll go there. cd documents. cd means change directory. Okay, then what you need to do is git clone and then the paste the copied URL, git space clone, and here is the code that you have copied. Okay, paste it here. Control V doesn't work here in git bash. What you need to do is you need to right click and then paste it. See, cloning into contributors page. After it is done, what you need to do is you need to go in that cd contributors page, clear the screen. Yes, see here you can see. I'll show you how to modify it. See, here is a readme file available. Create a pull request. How to create it? You need to change this and add username in that. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that. Okay, I have cloned that in documents. Go on documents. Here you can see the repo contributors page, and here public. Open it is open index.html in any text editor. I'll use Visual Studio Code. You can use Notepad if you don't have any code editor, text editor. Okay, so what you need to do here is go at the last of this. What you need to do here, copy this block of code. Okay, copy this and paste it here. Okay, so what you need to do is copy this code, block of code, and paste it here below this command line. Insert your code block here, paste it here, and what you need to do is, see here you need to put the URL of your profile pic that is there on GitHub. Okay, open GitHub and go here, click on your profile, and here right click and copy image address. That's the image address. So you need to copy that image address here in image src. This is basically the source of the image. Image src is the source that you provide, the source of your profile pic. Your name, let's suppose I'll write here the tech hacker. Here href github.com/username. Here username is present here. See here, github.com/the tech hacker. That's my username. Copy that, paste it here, and here your GitHub username, which is the tech hacker. Save it, Control S, or file save. Okay, Control S, save that, and let's see what other steps are there. You have cloned the URL. What you need to do is, now you need to add all the changes in the, like you need to push the changes in that file. So what you need to do is go on that directory. I am already in that contributors page. What you need to do, git add, but before let's check git status. This will basically tell you the status. See here you can see modified public/index.html. What you need to do is git add space and dot. Space dot means to add every modifications that you have done. If you want to add some particular file, you can put git add space then the file name. Since I am adding all the things, like all the modifications that I have done, so git add space then dot, enter. Now check git status. See here, it's in green, like you have added it. After that you need to write git commit -m. In double quotes you need to write the message that you want to put. Let's suppose I want to put update index.html, enter. Now check git status. See, nothing to commit, you have already committed it. Now you need to push the changes, so for that you need to do git push. You can also do git push origin master if you're on master branch. Okay, doing like you can also do all this by making a separate branch, but like this is my way of doing, you can do that. For that you can use git checkout -b and then the branch name. Okay, so git push, enter. Now all your changes will be pushed to the main code in the cat code. Okay, since I am using the other account, so I need to log in. So if you are prompted with this dialog box, just log in thetechhacker11@gmail.com. Write the password. Then login. After logging in, you will be able to push the changes. See, now since you have pushed all the changes, all the modifications that you have done, what you need to do is go on pull request, click on create pull request. Here you can see pull request, click here. Now here you can see create pull request, click on here. See, that's the commit message that you have given, update index.html. you can leave a comment if you want. I'll write like happy to contribute. You can write anything that you want to comment here, happy to contribute, then create pull request. So that's it. You have made a pull request, successful pull request. And after that, submitting the pull request, 4 pull requests, what you need to do, you will get an email regarding the size of the t-shirt and your shipping address. You need to provide that and wait for some time. You'll get the t-shirt in December most probably, and it is first come first serve basis, so you need to do it as soon as possible. And this year they are shipping 70,000 t-shirts. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.